Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. Today is Monday, July 3rd, 2020, and that beautiful day here in Canton, Connecticut. That's where I'm currently at right now. So, if you're new to my channel, my name is Unwana, and every week I try to share some important contents on strategies I am implementing in my personal life to improve my personal finance and also create wealth for myself and my family. So thank you very much for being here, and I appreciate you being here. So my whole strategy right now is trying to help as many people as possible, in terms of personal finance and also wealth creation, which comes down to having multiple sources of income. So if you have multiple sources of income and you have enough cash flow coming from those sources of income, then you can invest the money in income producing assets, which in turn create more cash flow for you, and that's how you grow your wealth. Unfortunately, most people don't do this, and most people only have one source of income, as evident from this health pandemic that we're going through right now. So as a result of this, most people have been laid off. Most businesses have filed for bankruptcy, and some businesses are struggling right now, and families are struggling. So the only way to help yourself out right now is to invest in yourself and try to generate multiple sources of income. So my topic today actually is blogging versus affiliate marketing. So these two have to do with online platforms. Okay, so what is blogging? So blogging is when you create a website where you share content, okay, and with time you generate enough subscribers to your blog, and then eventually you can monetize your blog. When I say monetize, that means you can start generating revenue from your blog. Don't get me wrong, blogging takes time, it takes effort. You have to learn to use a particular platform. Like in my case, I use WordPress. So there are things involved with blogging. Number one, you have to create a blog name. You have to, register your domain. You have to have a hosting service. You have to, and then most people use like WordPress. Okay. So blogging entails a lot. You will not see immediate results right away, but as you're consistent with your blogging, what happens is, and you're also using SEO, search engine optimization, then you will be able to rank in search engines, and eventually people will find you depending on your niche. They'll find you, and then eventually you can also start having people advertise on your blog as you get bigger and more, and you build your brand and your reputation. Also, you can have Google AdSense, whereby those ads you see on websites when you go, so that way you also generate income from that. So blogging is more intense, requires more input on your part, and you can also outsource some of your content. There are websites out there like Text Broker. You can go to Text Broker and make out jobs for people. You can use Fiverr to have people write content for you, which all you have to do is just upload to your blog. So you don't necessarily have to do everything yourself. Okay, you don't have to write all the content yourself, but when you're first starting out, it's always a good idea for you to write your own content. Now let's look at affiliate marketing. So I'm also involved in affiliate marketing because it's one of the easiest ways to get started online for most people without creating a website. You don't even need a website to start affiliate marketing, because as an affiliate marketer, okay, what you're basically doing is you're promoting someone else's product or service through your unique link. So when you sign up to become an affiliate marketer, the merchant gives you a unique identifier or a unique URL which is associated with you. So all you do is just share that with people, drive traffic through that link to the merchant site. If the prospect becomes a customer, and there's a sale, then in such cases you earn a commission from the merchant. So the merchant shares the sale proceeds with you. Now it depends on what percentage they share with you. It could be anywhere from 1% to maybe 50% or 60%. So it depends on what program you're an affiliate for. So that's basically it with affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, you don't have control over your earnings. Okay, you don't have control over what happens with the merchant, because sometimes merchants do terminate affiliate marketing programs, okay, or they might change the payout. I mean, they have ultimate control over their program. You as an affiliate marketer, you have no control. However, with blogging, it's your blog, you control everything. You control your domain, you control your website, you control your content. So no one can tell you what to publish or what not to publish, okay? It's your content. So that's the drawback with affiliate marketing, because as an affiliate marketer, you're at the mercy of the merchant, okay? Things change, things happen. Now, the beauty of having your own blog is having your own blog and being an affiliate marketer becomes a powerful combination, because guess what? If you're an affiliate marketer, you can also promote whatever affiliate marketing program you've signed up for on your blog. Okay, so you make money by promoting things on your personal blog as well, and no one can tell you what not to post on your blog. Okay, so that's the advantage of having your own blog, because if you sign up for multiple affiliate programs, you can create content specific to each affiliate program and then embed your affiliate links in your articles or in your content, and that's how you do it. So it takes time, it takes effort, but if you're consistent with it and you stick with it, this is what I'm practicing right now. I have my own personal blog, which I'll put a description in the link below, where you can go check it out. And I also am an affiliate marketer for different products and different programs. So there are sites out there where you can, go and sign up for affiliate programs. There's ClickBank, there's Commission Junction. So there's so many places there. There's Shareable. So there are many sites out there. Just go online and do a Google search. Okay, you come up with a whole bunch of affiliate programs and affiliate. Most companies today have an affiliate program. All right, so check out maybe an item that you use. Okay, the best part is if you decide to become an affiliate marketer, choose something that you're already using, because you can speak to it. Okay, like there are certain softwares that I use and I've been using consistently for years now, but I also signed up for the affiliate program because I know the product. So that way, when I'm giving my reviews, etc., I'm actually speaking from the standpoint of someone who's currently using the product or has used the product before. So I know what I'm talking about. So if you found this very useful, please don't forget, as usual, to give me thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and share my content with people. I want to thank all my new subscribers. Right now, we're now at 81 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Last month, the goal was to get to 100 subscribers. Yeah, I know it's a small goal, but I do appreciate it. So for this month, we're shooting for 150 subscribers. So that's the goal for August. Get to 150 subscribers. Right now we're at 81, and I appreciate everything, and I can't wait to celebrate with you all once we hit 100 subscribers. So thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. And please do check out my other videos here. I'm gonna have some links to some of my videos, where you can check out some other things, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Okay, take care everyone, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.